Alright folks, today we're going to go over how to get in on projects that are on the TRX chain or Tron chain. So really quickly, let me show you why you care about this. If you go on CoinGecko.com, you'll see a list of crypto projects. Okay. Now most of these projects are known as ERC20 token projects. So that means the projects are built with Ethereum. Okay. So that means everything is in the Ethereum ecosystem. And it means that when you want to buy or get in on the coin, typically you're going to do that through Ethereum. So for example, if you were to want to buy, for example, the Synthetic Network token, it's a really popular DeFi project right now. You can see that this token is in fact an ERC20 token. And we know that because you see here, the contract starts with 0x, and we're going to be, the way you can take a look at the transactions that are happening with this project is going to be through Etherscan, ETH4, and other things like that. So most of the projects right now, they are through Ethereum. All right, so if you take a look, this one's also probably Ethereum, right? So again, Etherscan 0x. Okay. But today what we're going to cover is something a little different. So if you're already in crypto, you probably know about Ethereum and ERC20 tokens. But there's a chance that you might not know about Tron and its own token. Okay. So if you look at TRX, you'll see that under the Explorers, it's actually not Etherscan. Okay. And that's because Tron is its own network. It's not part of the Ethereum network. So Tron, you can think of it as an alternative to Ethereum. Okay. So if you're building a crypto project, essentially, you have a choice between using Ethereum or using the Tron network. And the benefit of knowing how to use the Tron network is that you may be able to get in on projects that are less known. Okay, because right now the Ethereum network is the most popular. And most of the popular coins are launching on Ethereum. And when they launch, if they're a good project, they tend to go up in price a lot. And by the time you find out, you may not be able to get in on time. But the benefit of knowing Tron is because it's a smaller, more niche network, you may be able to get into these projects at an earlier stage and thus make more return on your money. So let's look at how to use Tron. The first step is you need to have a wallet, and you need to load your wallet with Tron. Just like how if you were buying an Ethereum coin, you would need to download the Ethereum wallet and load your wallet with Ethereum. So one way to do that is to go to trustwallet.com. And we are going to get Trust Wallet. So we're going to click download now. We are going to click get it on Google Play. And it seems like Trust Wallet is only available on mobile. And I'm recording this video on desktop. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to get a wallet that works on desktop. Okay. Now the most popular wallet to get is MetaMask, as most of you might know. But the wallet that's going to support Tron is going to be, the most popular one that I've found is Tron Link. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to uninstall Tron Link and reinstall it just so I can show you all how to do the setup here. So I'm going to remove this, and here we are back to square one. And so what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to Google Tron Link. This right here is going to be the wallet. and I'm going to install Tron Link. I'm going to click the install button. Oh, it seems like this one is also only available on mobile phone. So let's try the other Tron Link. So as you can see, there is quite a lot of options available for you to use, but all of them work, okay? The most important thing is you need a wallet that supports Tron. It needs to support TRX or Tron. So right there, I installed it as an extension to Google Chrome. So you're going to need Google Chrome to do this ideally. So now we're in Tron. We've downloaded our wallet. The next step is going to be setting up our new wallet. Okay, so I'm going to set a new password. This is the first thing I'm going to do. Set any password that you like. Okay. Okay, so now that I've set my password, I'm going to continue. And I'm going to click Create to make a new wallet. And this account, I'm going to name Demo. And this right here, this is going to be very important. This is our private key. Well, not the private key, but the recovery phrase. So this is very important because as long as you have this, you'll be able to access your Tron wallet no matter where you are. Okay. And if you lose this, then that's not going to be good, because if you ever lose access to your Tron account, you're not going to be able to recover it. So make sure to take a screenshot of this or to write this down on a piece of paper and keep it safe, because you will need this. I'm going to take a screenshot. And I'm going to open up Microsoft Paint. I'm going to paste it here. All right, I'm going to keep it open. Right here, see? And now I'm going to press continue. And now this screen is asking us to confirm our recovery phrase. So right here, we're just going to go through similar park draft, sugar place sock, mandate scheme target, Brave verifier curve. And just like that, we should be able to set up our Tron wallet. And as you can see here, I don't have any TRX tokens. I have not funded this wallet yet. And you can receive the tokens by pasting this address into. So if you've sent or received crypto before, this is basically this is your address, but for Tron. Okay, so if you sent or received Ethereum tokens before, this is just like that. Except make sure you're only sending TRX or Tron-based tokens, okay? You do not want to send Bitcoin to this address, and you do not want to send Ethereum tokens to this address, because this wallet is only for Tron, and only for Tron tokens. So don't send Ethereum to this wallet, don't send Bitcoin to this wallet, don't send any coins that are not Tron or Tron-based to this wallet. You will lose your crypto, and you're not going to, well, most likely the transaction is not going to go through, but just don't do it, okay? So once you've sent some Tron to your wallet, here are some of the popular things you can do with your Tron. So just like how in Ethereum you may have Uniswap, the really popular decentralized exchange where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies directly through your wallet with just Ethereum. On Tron, we have something called JustSwap. So justswap.io is the name of the site. Make sure you're in the correct website. And I'm going to refresh the page here. I'm going to click this out. And let's see. So our wallet should be connected. And as you can see here, as I go onto JustSwap, the TRX, this TR ending in D2FU, that should be my Tron Link address. Let's take a look. So you see it starts with TRDU and it ends with FD2FU. So we know this is the same, right? Take a look. See right here, it says connected with Tron Link. And that's how we know we are all set and ready to go. And so I don't have any Trons here right now. You are going to need to fill up your account with Tron, which I will go into a little later for how to acquire Tron. But right off the bat, you can take a look. Let's see what's trading. Okay. So here, you can trade your Tron for Sun tokens. Okay. You can trade your Tron for wrapped Ethereum. You can even trade it for, let's see. You can trade it for whatever these tokens are. You can trade it for any of these. Okay. And for example, let's say if I put in 10 Tron, you can see right here this is just the same, the wrapped Tron token, so that's really the same. Let's try a different token. So you can see if I put in 10 Trons, it will come out to be about 1,031 of the swim token. So whatever that is, that's what you can get. Okay. I believe I'm still recording. The next thing I'm going to show you is, so we know how to set up the Tron wallet, and we know how to use JustSwap right now. But how do we actually get the tokens? How do we actually fill up our account with Tron tokens so we can go ahead and spend it? Well, the first thing we can do is we can try Binance. Okay. Or I can just do a quick Google search. Where to buy Tron tokens? Okay. The best way to acquire TRX is through Binance. I can also go ahead and check CoinGecko to see where Tron is sold. Okay, let's check. So for my US-based viewers, you might have a little bit of trouble using Binance because Binance is not friendly towards US users. But let's see what your options are. Okay, so here's TRX Tron. Let's see where we can buy and sell this. Let's click the markets on CoinGecko. Okay, seems like there's a lot of places you can buy Tron. So you can go ahead and pick any of these exchanges, and you can buy your Tron there. So let's check out Bitcoin.com exchange. So I'm just going to go ahead, I'm going to click in here. Okay. Voila, okay. So this Bitcoin.com exchange you can use to buy and sell Tron. Okay, so you can go ahead and go in, and let's see. Is there an exchange that I already use here? Okay, it seems like the only places to get Tron right now is through centralized exchanges. So you can just go ahead and pick any of these exchanges, make an account on the exchange, and go in and buy your Tron. And once you've bought your Tron, all you do is send it to your Tron address. Okay. So just make sure after you buy your Tron, you withdraw your Tron to right here, so this address. And then once you do that, you are going to be good to go, and you can go and buy any of the tokens right here on JustSwap. And who knows, maybe you can get in on the next 1000x token, because right now Tron, the Tron chain is not very popular compared to Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. And so there might be still a lot of opportunities here to make a good return. So thank you, and good luck out there with your crypto investments.